Now for mirroring, we will start by drawing a plane. To mirror it, we need a mirror, so we will establish a mirror. First we will extend these lines and here is our mirror. So now we know our box and where our mirror is. So what we will do, we need to find the center. After finding the center, we will extend the center line, and to find the start of the mirrored box, what we will do is we will take this point, draw a line through this point, and where it meets the bottom line, that's where our mirrored box starts. And to find the end of the box, what we will do is we will take this point, go through this, and where it meets the top of the box, that is where the line will end. And now we have mirrored this plane here. So what we will do is, in perspective we will draw a tilted plane, we will draw the mirror, and now to mirror it, what we will do is we will extend these lines until they meet the mirror. And for the back side also. Now where these lines meet the mirror, we will draw a vertical line and extend these lines. Now to mirror it, we will find the center, for the front and the bottom, extend this line from this through this point, and now for the back also. Same through this. Draw the vertical line. Now what we will do is we will extend this line, we will connect the points. Now what you can do is you can lower the opacity, make a new layer, and with a darker color you can draw these. And for the mirrored image also, Now where it overlaps you don't have to draw it. Once you can also take another color and draw the mirror also, if you really want to draw a mirrored image on a mirror. Otherwise it can be used to draw the form. And now once you have done that, you can remove the structure layer, and we can now erase the bits that's outside the mirror, and now you have a mirrored image on a mirror. So yeah, and now we will move on to the spacing. Now spacing is like mirroring but in a different way. So in spacing, what we have is, we have a box. So in mirroring, what we have, we know the where our box is and where our mirror is, but we don't know where the other image is going to, the mirrored image is going to fall. So but for spacing we know where it's going to start. So we will extend the lines, choose where we want the spaced box to start at. So for that it's here. So now we know that it's going to start here. Now we are going to look for the mirror. To find the mirror, we will find the center of this image. Once we find the center of this image, what we will do is, we will draw horizontal and the vertical line, and now we need to take this point, go through this and extend it until it meets the bottom one. Where it meets the bottom line, draw a vertical line. Now you have drawn a spaced box, so it's perfectly spaced and mirrored, but it gives you more freedom to draw wherever you want. Like when you draw mirrored, you don't know where the mirrored image is going to be, but for this it's already decided where you want it to be. So let me give you an example in perspective. So for example, consider this is a wall. And now, for example, I know I have a window here. Now that I know that I have a window here, I also know that the other window I want is here. The other window starts here. So now I need to find where it ends, probably in this area. So to do that, I will find the center, draw the horizontal, and now what I will do is, I will take this point, go through this line, and where it meets this, that's where my line will be. So it's actually a little further away. Yeah. So once I do this, I can lower the opacity, make a new layer. Now what I have to do is, I now just have to connect to the dots to get the clean image, because we have already done the construction. So now it should be very easy for you guys and for me to draw. I'm basically now tracing. Now after doing this, you can also give this a little thickness, so it looks three-dimensional. And now we will also give the windows a little bit of depth. For this one too. Keeping the vanishing points in mind. Now I'm just having fun with this. I'm just drawing as if I have split a room in half and I am looking at it from inside. So yeah, this is it. Now once you close the once you hide the layer below, you can see how good this looks, and this is it. Hope you like the video and find it helpful. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any ideas for the future videos, make sure to mention them down below in the comments. See you next time.